Deer Vice Grip Garage. This is my square body I LS swapped. I got this paint. I really actually like the vibe of it, but there's a couple of spots that I don't know, had filler, whatever, that's peeling up. So I was hoping you could help kind of put me in the right direction on what I should do to keep it looking like it is. Can I clean this up and clear coat it just the way it sits? Should I clean this out further? Can a guy help a guy out is what I'm saying. Hopefully so. Love your content. Hit me up.